How are you guys doing? It's Martin from Gardens for Life. I just wanted to do a quick video on this challenge that we're doing. This year we're going to grow tubers in large pots, about 10 to 15 litres. 6 different tubers, so there's Jerusalem artichokes, mashua and oca. Big thank you to all of our followers and subscribers. We'd like to do a big giveaway at the end of the growing season. So whatever comes out of this experiment or challenge, we're going to do a harvest video and weigh all the tubers, and we're going to do a big raffle at the end of the growing season. So if you want to enter, it's free. All you have to do is subscribe to our website. It's just gardensforlife.ie, and you can go to the tuber challenge. You can also just click the link below in the comments or in the description of the video. Thanks a million. So here's the tubers now. These are the ocas here. So we have New Zealand yam. These are the yellow or golden ones, and we have the red variety, and we also have sunchoke. It's fusio, don't really know how to pronounce that. And here we have 2 red fusios, Jerusalem artichoke as well, and 2 mashua amarillo and 2 mashua blanca. So this one is already starting to grow, so I might as well use it. And here's another one. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna fill all these pots here with compost. This well rotted mushroom compost, 1 year old now. It's great stuff for growing things in. Just gonna fill these buckets up now. So that's it now, all the pots are filled with compost. Now we're going to add the tubers. We have 2 of each. So here's all the different tubers. So we're going to push them down lightly into the compost and basically just top them up with a bit of wood chips, probably about 2 inches of wood chips or 5 centimeters. And then label them and leave it at that. So here's all the labels, so we know what we've got. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this volcanic rock dust to each of the pots, just to give them a few extra minerals. I mean, they're going to get some minerals out of the wood chips anyway. The wood chips, just take them and add them into each of the buckets until it's fairly full. So here they are now in their permanent spot in the middle of the nursery with full sun. It's 12 buckets of tubers, well watered if it doesn't rain, and we also have them mulched so that they don't dry out in case we have another drought in the summer. And of course, most importantly, we're going to keep them in full sunlight and give you guys updates throughout the year. So we're going to do 1 or 2 videos during the summer just to see how things are going and give you guys an update, and hopefully now we'll get plenty of tubers out of it just to send out to you guys. And thanks again for following us and watching our videos, and we do appreciate it. Thanks very much, and talk to you the next time. Bye bye.